Mobility drives the world. It moves people and goods and makes our lives easier. But none of this would be possible without you, the mobility experts around the world. You orchestrate the mobility ecosystem and manage all the fleets involved, from passenger cars to light commercial vehicles, as well as heavy trucks. A true challenge. In all the tasks you need to orchestrate to keep your fleets up and running, while keeping operation costs low and preserving the value of your vehicles. We at Bosch understand your needs. And we deliver solutions that support you as fleet experts, with solutions that are as individual as your daily tasks. Let's keep fleets up and running. Together. Let's move like a Bosch.